Hey guys, thanks for tuning into the channel. Don't forget to click subscribe, hit the bell so you get all the updates and our new videos coming forward.
Okay, here we go. Maiden flight. Taking off from left to right. Nice, flies good, took off effortless, no problems there. Needs a little up elevator. All right, got her level, nice and smooth. Cruising around at about half throttle. Coming in low. Flies good. We'll do a couple more laps there. Feeling pretty good on the sticks. Super locked in. It's stable. Very stable. Not much to it there. Come in, make a left-hand turn. We're going to come in low and slow. Come in low and slow there. Help old Doug out. Trucker Doug. A couple of full throttle passes there, see what it's got going on. Flying good. Very smooth. Coming in again. Awesome. Flies good. Just taking it easy on the maiden flight there. Nice and smooth. Oh heck, let's act up. There we go. It'll do some stuff. There we go. All right, I'll do one more lap and we'll set up for a landing. This one's a good one, super smooth. All right, Doug, coming in low and fast. Setting up for the landing. Hopefully it goes effortless. What do you think, Doug? Can you keep up with it?
It's a bad sun glare.
Oh yeah. All right, coming in.
I'm trying
the throttle.
I'm trying to keep up with it.
I know it's hard. Letting the engine settle in. Get those RPMs down. go. I'll take it. I'll take it.
Oh, that landing was pretty.
Hey, I can't wait to see the drone footage, man. I bet it came out good.
I tried something a little different.
Let's see here. And I'm gonna bring it over here and we'll wrap it up. This is the 50cc Revolver. If you can find you one, get you one. They stopped making them, and like I said, I stumbled upon this one and glad I did. Daily 55 gives it tons of power.